Feather Wallet app: the pros, the cons. When it comes to privacy-focused crypto wallets, Feather Wallet is quietly earning a reputation as one of the best lightweight options, especially for Monero users. But is it truly secure and reliable, or does it have hidden downsides? Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Feather Wallet app. First, the pros. Feather Wallet was designed with privacy at its core. It's a desktop wallet built primarily for Monero, the cryptocurrency known for its untraceable transactions. The wallet is open source, meaning its code is transparent and reviewed by the community, a major win for security-conscious users. One standout feature is its speed and efficiency. Unlike many Monero wallets that take ages to sync, Feather connects to remote nodes quickly, so you can send and receive transactions within minutes. It also supports advanced features like coin control, subaddresses, and built-in Tor connectivity, giving users deep privacy and flexibility. Another big plus: no registration or kick required. You download it, create your wallet, and you're good to go. Your keys never leave your device, which means you maintain full ownership of your funds. Now for the cons. Because Feather is mainly focused on Monero, it doesn't support other cryptocurrencies. If you're looking for a multi-coin wallet, you need a separate app. It's also not ideal for complete beginners. The interface is clean, but it assumes you already know the basics of using a Monero wallet. Additionally, since it relies on external nodes, connection stability can vary depending on your setup or region. That's not a deal breaker, but it can be annoying when network latency kicks in. To wrap up, Feather Wallet is an excellent choice if you value privacy, open source transparency, and full control of your Monero funds. It's fast, secure, and community-driven, but best suited for users who already understand how privacy coins work. If your goal is true anonymity and total control, Feather Wallet delivers exactly that: no compromises.